So, alright. After kong matapos yung newbie, dahil tinry ko siya kanina, so try ko ngayon yung medyo damihan natin yung hanapin natin na bags sa main menu. No, the sounds you hear, you can choose, yan. So, nakakatakot yung face. So, ito na lang tayo. So, easy lang tayo. Oh my god, my dog. Monty! Okay, so, easy mo na lang tayo. Easy mode. Lagi talaga may ads. So, apparently the owner of this place, Mr. Miles, was a very rich man. And it means a fat paycheck for me to do this is get the riches. All I need to do is get the riches. So, okay, diba? Hindi na marunong magbasa. The man disappeared some time ago. Just this one job and I'll be set. Okay. So, money bags to the point. 12. Kanina 6 lang tayo sa newbie. So, dinoble ngayon yung hanapin natin. So, try natin to. Collect the and use irons to check monster position and avoid it. Okay. As usual, nandito tayo sa bahay. Unang-unang kwarto. I got 2 pieces. Okay, no more here. Can go out. Yeah. So, ito yung kitchen niya, sobrang dumi. Magkaroon ka ng gantong mansion, tapos ganito ka dumi. I don't know what's this. Boost your spread. Kaya naman pag ganyan. Okay. So, nothing here. Run! My god. I don't know what happened. So, it's outside. So creepy. If you hear, kung narinig mo yung character natin, sobra siyang natatakot. So, kailangang habulin. Grabe siya. So, tumahimik na. I hear something. So, again, here. Hindi naman siya pumapasok sa ano eh. Again. So, keep on collecting. Nasa loob naman tayo, so we're safe. I think we're safe. Yeah. So creepy. Yeah. Kailangan bilis ka tumakbo. tumakbo uli. I saw her. I saw her agad. Oh my god. Long hair siya. Ayaw niya tayong palubasin. So, wala siyang kasing kamay tsaka paa. So, hindi siya makapagbukas ng pinto. So, when she see us inside the room, hindi niya siya pumapasok. So, I'm wondering kung paano tayo lalabas. Kasi meron pa tayong 7 out of 12 na hanapin na bags. So, dapat pupunta natin may rooms. So, she here ba? I don't understand. Di tayo makalabas. So, hindi tayo makapunta doon sa hagdanan. So, creepy, hindi ka makalabas. So, ito pala yung easy lang to Okay. So, gusto niya buksan niya pinto. Ganun. I'm so creepy in this. Pag nahuli niya tayo, anong mangyayari? So, I see scary, Where is he again? No more rooms here. And I don't know kung may rooms dito. So, here walang something. So, hindi naman siya pumapasok sa mga rooms. Okay, so I don't know why this is why here. So, nagkalat dito yung tatlo. Oh. So, wala naman tayong lagari. So, I wonder kung ano makikita natin dito. Oh, OMG! Oh. So, there's still a chance to sobrang ingay. Yeah. Nagulat ako. So, revive natin. So, habang nire-revive natin, may ads siya na magpapakita. Nagulat ako. Grabe yung gulat ko. Okay, again, resume. Where am I? So, nasan siya? So, So here wala namang something dito. So we need only 2. Then makakalis na tayo. Hindi ko kung best time mahuhuli. Oh, Devin. CR talaga. Sa bowl. Okay. So it's outside again. Parang andyan siya. Isa na lang eh. Ayun siya. Okay. So nakita ko siya. A number. I don't know what is a number for. So only one to go. When we'll win this game. Okay. Lalaki yung character natin pero takot na takot siya. So okay, find the exit and escape. Nakuha natin yung isa. So escape na tayo. I need to find the escape. I think this that run. Run. Revive again. So 3 times. So exit na lang. Lagi tayo nahuhuli. Lagi tayo nahuhuli dun sa game na. So ito, wala, parang unlive lang siya. Okay, resume tayo. So, hanapin natin yung... Hindi dito eh. Okay. Dito natin hanapin yung exit. I think sa baba nga yun eh. Here is the exit. So, here. Ayaw pa mag-exit. Oh. Okay, so, oh no, I suppose yun. This even looks similar. This place was supposed to be abandoned and now I'm seeing her. Why I can't shake the feeling that she keeps calling me. That she's still in the shadows. What should I do? So, nakalabas tayo. Okay. gladly 3 times. So, 2 beses na tayo nahuli. Nakakagulat din siya. So, guys, chill. So, thrill. Thrill na thrill talaga siya. So, try mo. For sure nagugustuhan mo to. Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching.